The world is changing at an unprecedented pace, and at the heart of this transformation is artificial intelligence. But in 2025, artificial intelligence will take a massive leap forward. Imagine machines that can think, create, and even understand us better than ever before. From healthcare to climate change, these breakthroughs are not just tech novelties, they're set to change everything. Today, we're diving into the top artificial intelligence breakthroughs of 2025 that will reshape our world as we know it. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence has already revolutionized various industries in the past decade. But the breakthroughs we're about to witness in 2025 are set to push the boundaries of what technology can achieve. With advancements in artificial general intelligence, robotics, healthcare, and even creative industries, artificial intelligence will soon be at the core of virtually every aspect of our lives. In this video, we'll explore the groundbreaking artificial intelligence developments that will change everything and how they will impact us as individuals, societies, and businesses. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, becomes a reality. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, is a massive leap forward in artificial intelligence technology, marking the point where machines can perform any intellectual task that humans are capable of. By 2025, AGI could be capable of adapting, learning, and solving complex problems across different domains of artificial intelligence, not just specific ones like image recognition or language translation. This will allow artificial intelligence to autonomously work on issues that were once considered too difficult or even unsolvable. AGI could drive unprecedented innovation in scientific research, healthcare, and global problem-solving, making it possible to accelerate technological advancements and devise new solutions to challenges like climate change, energy scarcity, and disease management. Artificial intelligence revolutionizes healthcare. In 2025, artificial intelligence will take a leading role in revolutionizing healthcare by diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy and speed than ever before. Artificial intelligence-powered diagnostic tools can process vast amounts of medical data in real time, enabling early detection of conditions such as cancer, heart disease, and neurological disorders. Furthermore, artificial intelligence will help design personalized treatment plans, customizing interventions based on an individual's genetic makeup and lifestyle. These advancements will dramatically improve patient outcomes, reducing human error and saving countless lives. Artificial intelligence-driven robotic surgeries will become more common, offering minimally invasive solutions with faster recovery times and improved precision. Artificial intelligence in the creative industries. Artificial intelligence will become an essential tool for creators across a wide range of fields, including music, art, literature, and filmmaking. By 2025, artificial intelligence will not only assist but actively collaborate with humans to produce original works. For instance, artificial intelligence can suggest creative ideas, generate compositions, or even take on the role of co-creator in the artistic process. In the music industry, artificial intelligence will compose songs to artificial intelligence to specific emotional tones or themes. While in film production, artificial intelligence could help scriptwriters develop plots based on audience preferences and current trends. This shift will democratize creativity, allowing anyone, regardless of skill, to produce high-quality art and content. While this will open new avenues for innovation, it will also challenge the concept of authorship and originality, sparking debates about intellectual property and the role of human creators. Quantum computing and artificial intelligence synergy. Quantum computing, with its ability to process exponentially more data than classical computers, will unlock new potential for artificial intelligence. By 2025, artificial intelligence combined with quantum computing will be able to solve problems that are currently unimaginable for traditional computers. For example, quantum artificial intelligence could dramatically speed up drug discovery, simulate complex molecules, or model weather patterns with unprecedented accuracy. This fusion of quantum computing and artificial intelligence will be a game changer in industries ranging from pharmaceuticals to finance, opening doors to solutions for global challenges. However, the integration of quantum artificial intelligence will require overcoming significant technical barriers, including the stability of quantum states and the development of quantum algorithms that can harness this immense computational power. Artificial intelligence-powered cybersecurity. As cyber attacks grow more sophisticated, traditional security methods are becoming insufficient. By 2025, artificial intelligence will play a central role in cybersecurity, enabling systems that can predict, detect, and respond to cyber threats in real time. With artificial intelligence-driven cybersecurity, systems will continuously learn from new threats, allowing them to recognize patterns and identify vulnerabilities before they are exploited. This proactive approach will make online interactions safer, protecting personal data, financial transactions, and critical infrastructure from cybercriminals. As artificial intelligence's capabilities grow, it will not only enhance existing security measures, but also build resilient defense systems capable of mitigating attacks in ways previously thought impossible. Artificial intelligence for climate change solutions. Artificial intelligence will become a pivotal tool in combating climate change by enabling more accurate climate modeling, enhancing renewable energy generation, and optimizing energy consumption. With artificial intelligence's ability to analyze vast amounts of environmental data, it will provide insights into carbon emissions, climate patterns, and potential risks. In 2025, artificial intelligence will help develop more efficient energy storage solutions, making renewable sources like solar and wind more reliable. Artificial intelligence-powered systems will optimize agricultural practices, reducing waste and improving artificial intelligence ability. The integration of artificial intelligence into environmental policies will help governments and organizations implement more effective strategies to mitigate global warming, accelerate clean energy adoption, and develop technologies that capture and store carbon. Artificial intelligence-enhanced personal assistance. Artificial intelligence personal assistants are set to evolve into highly intuitive and context-aware systems that will go far beyond simple voice commands. By 2025, these assistants will anticipate needs, provide real-time recommendations, and manage complex tasks across work and life. For instance, artificial intelligence could manage your artificial intelligence schedule, recommend health interventions based on your habits, and even predict potential obstacles before they arise, offering solutions on the spot. These assistants will be able to interact seamlessly with other smart devices and services, providing a fully integrated, efficient personal experience. With artificial intelligence-powered personal assistants becoming deeply embedded into our artificial intelligence routines, productivity and time management will reach new levels of efficiency. The artificial intelligence breakthroughs we're witnessing today are just the beginning of a future where artificial intelligence fundamentally reshapes industries, society, and artificial intelligence my life. As we look toward 2025, these advancements promise to change everything, from healthcare and education to how we interact with technology and the world around us. But with great power comes great responsibility. Ensuring that these technologies are developed and deployed ethically will be key to harnessing their potential for good. The future is artificial intelligence-powered, and it's closer than you think. Be sure to subscribe and stay updated on all the incredible changes coming our way. Thanks for watching.